In this video, I will show you a brand new way of sorting jobs, especially when using transformations. We have developed a new sorting cycle that improves job ordering by applying transformations to the entire job sequence of the sorting job, including multiple tool and job type changes. You can find this new sorting job in the corresponding Jobs section. To understand how the sorting job is working, let me first show you the standard behavior of a compound job with a general transformation. Here we see the compound job and the selected transformation. Let's take a look at the simulation to see how it behaves. When using a transformation in a compound job, the transformation is applied sequentially to each individual job. This means that each job, together with its related transformations, is fully executed before the next job and its related transformations are processed. Now let's look at the behavior of the new sorting job. When using a transformation in a sorting job, the transformation is applied to the entire job sequence as a whole. The jobs are executed in the order in which they appear within the sorting job, and the transformation then repeats this complete sequence. In some cases, you want to finish one complete area first and then switch to the next. You can use any number of different tools within the sorting job. This allows you to structure complex job lists efficiently without having to break down or rebuild the existing machining logic. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.